In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use custom avatar in VRChat. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about some of the options that you have to use custom avatars in VRChat. So as you might be aware, the primary way to browse through avatars is to press escape at any point, and in here, you will find the avatars category. You can see the avatars that you have, and you will be able to acquire new ones. Now, this is going to be the most straightforward way. If you don't want to spend a lot of time setting stuff up, you can just choose whichever avatar you want to use from the list, and you will be able to use it from here. You can see all of the details and then change into this avatar. Once this is done, the changes will be reflected. So as you can see, the height has changed. Now, if you want to create your very own custom avatar, this is something that I'm not going to be able to cover in its entirety in a video of this nature. However, I still wanted to present the subject in an approachable way. So all of this information is usually found on documents available on the VRChat page. They also have two avatar creator systems that I want to showcase. This is going to make it significantly easier to make your own avatar. If you don't want to download a lot of tools, like stuff related to Unity or 3D modeling tools. So by using either Ready Player Me or Make Avatar, it is going to make the process of getting your own custom avatar a lot simpler. In here, you will get instructions on how to use it, and as you can see, it is a very lengthy process, but you will be able to customize every single aspect about your avatar. And Ready Player Me even has this interface, which makes it even easier. Of course, this might not be the style that you are looking for, and if that is the case, then sadly, you will have to look into 3D modeling tools. But because that can take a lot longer, I won't be able to cover it in its entirety on this video. So I highly recommend either browsing through the open avatars or going over to the website to receive more help regarding custom avatars in VRChat. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom avatar in VRChat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.